Is it good? अच्छा है? अच्छा है? अच्छा, thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mumma and Ethan Vlogs. Hope you guys are doing well. We are also very well and fine. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the videos. Alright, so right now Mr. Ethan is taking his nap and it's time for me to do my lunch preparation quickly. So today we're gonna make something from eggplant or aubergine or brinjal or baigan. So without any delay, let's get started. It's a quick and easy recipe and I'm not sure how Ethan and Dawson will react, so I'll just record their reaction as well. Okay guys, so first we'll cut. I washed it already and now we need to cut it. So either you can go this way, sliced. So my knife is not that great, so I'm gonna go with the normal round shape. So I'm gonna just take this away. I'm gonna save it for maybe dal curry, and I'm just gonna do thin, not very thin. Oh, this is too thin, but like nice, you can see. While slicing the eggplant, I saw that there is something inside, though there was no worm or anything, but like it was not that good. It was like bit hard and brownish, so I just took that part off and just continue my slicing. And then after this we need to do the marination. So if you want, you can skip this part because it's not really very important. So I'm just putting here a pinch of salt and I just put all the eggplants on the plate. Pinch of coriander powder, pinch of turmeric powder, pinch of chili powder, and just I drizzle some avocado oil. And you can drizzle any oil, olive oil or mustard oil, canola oil, any oil. And then I'll just rub them and just keep them separate before I make the another marination coating for the eggplant. So I'm doing this so that the eggplant has the inner taste as well, because sometimes what happens when you coat them with the coating and there is a taste only for the coating, not inside, and inside you still feel that there is you are just having like a boiled vegetable. So just to avoid that feeling, I just want to marinate them first as well, like just drizzling thing, and then with the batter. Here for the batter, I am taking here 1/4 cup of rice flour, which I am not using all together. So at the end I'll just show you that how much is left. Pinch of turmeric, and then half a teaspoon chili powder, salt as per taste, and a pinch of coriander powder. You can skip if you don't want it. I really like the taste of this. And then we'll mix it, just add some water and make a good paste here. And we need to make sure that we are adding water slowly, step by step, not all together. And just make sure that you are whisking it with your hand, as because it's like very little, so I am not using any whisker. I'm just using my hand, bare hands. And you see that it's little bit more liquidy. So but before adding more rice flour, I'm gonna add here ginger, garlic, chili and cumin paste. So I'm using cumin here just because eggplant has a nature of it has a gassy nature, so just avoid that heaviness. I have added here cumin seeds, and now I'm adding little bit of rice flour, and I'm gonna check first that if coating is good or not, if it's coating properly, and accordingly I'll add some more water here. Need little bit more water, which I have added it, and now this is the perfect consistency which I needed. So now I'll start coating them one by one. So while coating them, in between I've kept my pan ready, and I just put there 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any oil, so I'm using here same avocado oil for that. And trust me guys, I'm making this first time. I really love it. It was yummy. If you are having like with dal curry or as a side dish, it will be like just a good thing which you can have it with your side dish. And also I do made before like eggplant fritters, which we use, deep fried them and use the batter for the chickpea flour. That one like we use for bhajiya. So but this is the first time I'm doing it with rice flour and just the rice flour only. So here the oil is heated and I'm putting them one by one. So we need to cook them each side at least 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. And please make sure that the flame is on medium, because why I'm telling you, my flame, I mistakenly left it on high, and then one of my eggplant get burned because Dawson came on break that time, and I was just talking to him and I forgot to flip it over. So you will see here that it's, see, the side one is little bit burnt, though it was not taste like burnt. I had it and then it was like good crispy, but I didn't feel that it was burnt. But just to tell you that just keep it on the medium flame so they will get nicely cooked. And then I'll do my next batch, and here my eggplant fritters are ready, and let's see what my customer is saying. Try. It's really very important when your kids like the dish what you're making, and especially if it's a toddler, because they have a new palate for the taste and everything. So he did like it, and I think he had 3 to 4 of them, the little ones. So enjoy the dish and let me know in the comment box if you like the recipe. See you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.